I'm Sophia.
I'm Eva.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Three Little Birds.
Today, we will be showing you how the house is coming along.
Going to Lowe's.
And getting supplies for the house.
On to the video.
Woo!
And after 2 long weeks of vacation, we just wanted to show you guys what the house looks like now because we had some people come over and do some stuff for us. First off, when we walked in, the flooring is changed. I think it looks really good. And we have that flooring in it too. Here's this. It's still really messy because we haven't all of it yet. We have that light fixture. And in the kitchen, we got this whole tabletop done or whatever. This is the thing we chose for our counters. And then we got that all done as well. So then for the laundry room, a little dark, there's a thing that's gonna be like a bookshelf kind of thing. Then we got these countertops done and the sink in. So that's all nice. And we also got this door painted and on. The sink is pretty much done. It's like really dirty, but it's done. Same with the toilet, dirty but done on top. And then the shower / bathtub is all done and perfect. And then this door is painted. In this room, painted over. We have put in some new carpet. We have painted the closet doors gray. Then we painted this door gray also. And then in the master bedroom, it's basically the same thing, white walls, same carpets, and then we painted all of the doors gray. And in here, not much has been done. It's been painted, but that's like really it. And the wallpaper got taken. So then in the last bedroom, same thing. If you guys saw before how that was like different and stuff, we basically kept that idea, but that's gray and it still has like the wall texture, I guess. And then yeah, the rest are white walls and some gray doors. That's basically it for the upstairs. And let me show you downstairs. Downstairs we have the carpet and the doors. Or not the doors. The floors are also done. We have this door gray. These walls are all white. We have this and then I always try them out. We have these gray doors. And then here, it's just some storage. You can go.
And it's not that they're not showing up every day.
It's a tour of the house, but basically today what we're doing is we're loading up all the stuff that we don't need for the house and putting it in the back of our mom's truck and taking it back to Lowe's or wherever it came from. So like we didn't waste that money and stuff. And we're also just doing some touch-ups around the house Like we're gonna redo the numbers on the doors and stuff like that. We're heading over to Lowe's to return some stuff that we don't need and to get some stuff for little touch-ups for the house.
Okay, so we're at Lowe's and we're looking for some doorbells.
Kind of going on. So that's a what do you think's gonna look cool in the house that's worth the money? That's probably the one I would go with.
So we're getting this one.
Now is that gonna look okay? That button. I think the next piece is that the button that's gonna be on the front door. So at least the other one would give you a black button on the front door.
What if we get that one?
Yeah, I like that
The
one.
adventure arrows.
Yeah. Let's get
What
it.
about this one that looks like the wood planks? Think of the colors that we have going on in the house.
The other one.
And it's a good size, and it kind of ties all those colors together.
That one's really cute.
What about this one? This one looks
That one's cute, yeah.
I like the
A little bit
writing.
smaller.
Home sweet home.
Yeah.
I think we should do this one. I like the welcome one the best, but that one matches the best with all of them.
Okay, you guys pick.
I think we should go with that one.
the home sweet home.
Yeah, I like the home sweet home one.
I like this one. I just don't like how the welcome. Like the
Well, let's
spot.
see how big they are.
I don't like the spot that the welcome's in.
And there's another one that's off-centered. I think that's gonna look really cool. They're the same, babe.
This one, the home sweet home one, is much smaller.
Whatever you think, I think they're both good choices.
I think we should do the one on the bottom. Home sweet home.
I'm fine with whatever.
You like the welcome one better?
Yeah.
I like the home sweet home one.
Let's do
I don't
this
really
one.
like that
Jeez, these are heavy.
I like how it says home sweet home. I don't like that one.
Okay. We're still good.
Alright.
What's next?
We need some twine. Let's be down that way. We need planting soil. We need some plants.
Plants are down back
Yeah,
out
I
there. So should we hit the plants first?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, let's go to the plants. Getting 2 of these. I might get one of those because some of the bushes died. So we can like replant them so it looks all nice.
I think that's probably what your best bet is. What do you think?
Okay, so one of these. And some flowers, actually.
So you can pick out 2 flowers. Three flowers. Each of you go pick out one thing of flowers that you want. We'll find a spot to put them.
Okay, let's
Quick.
What do you think of these?
Yep. Maybe. I might look for something else.
So that's a maybe. They're really pretty.
Yeah, I think this might be what I'm getting, but I'm gonna keep on looking.
So, Eva, these are the ones you
I'm
think.
thinking about getting these.
Okay.
They're really pretty, but I'm not sure. I haven't looked at all of them yet.
So, you're going to keep looking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Annie's found her second. Annie's found her
This
second
is
option.
probably what I'm doing, but I think I might keep looking. Yeah.
These the ones you're going to choose?
I'm not sure. This is the second option. It's definitely considered, but probably, but I'm still gonna keep looking.
Okay.
Definite option.
Yep.
That's what you're getting?
Foxglove.
Annie has found her definite option.
Yep.
Which are also her first ones.
They're
Guinea
Guinea and panties.
impatience.
Yeah.
So this is the one you've chosen?
Yeah, I just saw these ones right now. It wasn't even an option at first, but I just saw these and I think they're beautiful. So this is what I'm gonna get.
So we got the big, huge expanse of white over the front door that we should fill in with numbers. So normally we go with the brushed nickel, but that door is black, so maybe black would look cool.
Okay.
What do you guys think?
These have like a really weird texture
Yeah,
to them.
that's a hammered metal texture.
I
Those
feel
look kind of
like
old.
we should do something that kind of looks like the doorbell.
I like the gatehouse.
Those are pretty, but those are not the right color scheme, I don't think.
I like this weird
I
texture.
felt like these looked really modern and cool.
The ones on the top, those are pretty.
These are my favorite because they're turkey.
There's no ones.
There's
Yeah,
No,
I don't think you want to do these. I think there's so much wood on that house it'll make it look barnish.
There's no ones.
Oh, that's
You
not
can't
gonna
use
work.
those.
Yeah. Okay. Good
maybe
call.
we should do something like our door.
Well, these are black in this shape that Eva liked. Do you guys like that?
Yeah. I like them. Do you like them, Eva?
I like them. They're just. Now that I'm looking at them.
Wait, what's this?
One.
I just like how.
All right, we gotta pick quick.
noting.
You can do those ones.
Okay, we're going to
I got them. It's fine.
Let's very carefully, without running anyone over, get those carts down the aisle. Sorry.
Annie.
Go, 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 go. Did you?
Annie got stuck. What's that for?
You put it at the bottom of the door, and they call it a kick plate. Just makes it look a little nicer.
Yeah, and then you don't mark up the door in case you kick the door. Some people.
Thanks, Annie.
Why'd you leave it there?
Because I couldn't get it.
Sorry, ladies. You can back it back up and head to the pro desk.
Why would you say that?
Here you go. You're doing a great job.
Why would you say that?
Here you go. You're doing a great job.
Beep.
We got doorbell. We got numbers. Kick plate, plants.
Beep.
We got the paint.
Beep.
Exactly.
Beep. Beep.
We're legit. Let's go.
Beep.